And in this video I'm going to show you how can you make $100 a day with Instagram just by free method, just by doing affiliate marketing, promote ClickBank or other network products on your Instagram account. So if you're excited what's coming up, make sure you like this video, drop anything, comment, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, so please go ahead and subscribe this channel. This channel needs your support because I'm here always posting our value content on daily basis. So click on the subscribe button with bell notification. And if you didn't, click on my description first link where I give you my #1 recommendation for make money online and make money online course where you can earn $500 to $1,000 passively income comes in day by day. So just click on the description first link and you will go to this go to my specific #1 course for make money online. So let's get started. First of all, let me introduce what is Instagram. Basically everyone know about this, but let me introduce Instagram is social media where people interacted with each other. But in 2018, in the last 2017 to 2018, Instagram are become very popular for the business purposes. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you make money from Instagram. So what you need to do, just select your niche. Your niche is must be anything, you will be going for your interest, like you love to play with dogs, so you can post your videos and about your dogs, and you can post specific information about the dogs. You love to love about money, so you can post you can post images. So there are specific many niches, but I recommend you to go to the niche in which no one working, because in which competition are less and chances of success are be higher, because these types of niches are highly converted. Like I am working on the pitbull modern hub. You can check on my Instagram, and if you like, please make sure you follow that. Well, now my target is to gaining 1,000 followers first, and then putting some ClickBank products on that specific Instagram. So how can I schedule my all posts? Like you can as you can see there, I am very regular with that uploads. I just keep like 4 to 5 days because of some because I'm on vacations last week, so I just keep some days. But now I will be back soon on this account. So you need to go to the buffer.com where you can post and schedule all things right now. So what you need to just go to the buffer.com and join your all accounts. You can all join always account. It's a free to sign up, no need to pay anything, even a penny. So just click here and connect your all accounts which you have. So after connecting your all accounts, you can easily access to post directly from here to your Instagram account. First of all, you need to go to the buffer.com, sign up, and you need to connect your Facebook page to Instagram, the Instagram to buffer. This might be long process, but it is worth of. So, and now there's a question, how can you put value on your Instagram? You need to go to the pixabay.com, or there are many websites which is free, give you free value content. So what you need to do is write your niche. Like I write girls with dogs, so this might be interesting query. So I just connect my Instagram. Basically it's my Facebook page already connected, and I think so I just forget on my laptop Instagram is connected, and this is my second account on buffer, so there might be some problem. So now as you can see there, you can actually get many posts available here, and this images are free to use, Creative Commons with reuse license, so you don't need to worry about copyright some issues and some stuff right now. So you can also have an option of Instagram extraction. You can also post from there. So in case my buffer account doesn't work, so I'm just going here and post some image in front of you guys to tell you how can you do that. So like this image is quite attractive, this image also. So what you need to do is just click the specific image and click on free download section available here. Click on free download, put your resolution what you want, and you can also get some sponsored and some related images right down. So I just download this image. Okay, now I just connected my Instagram from another tab. So just download the images you want to you would like. this image are highly high definition and easy to use. There are no copyright issue, free for commercial use, so you don't need to worry about that. So just click on free download, click again download section. It's gonna be capture. So set up Instagram direct posting, the click here. I just connect and authenticate on my Facebook. So you need to just connect your buffer to your Facebook page, and your Facebook page sorry, must be connected with your Instagram. So it's a long process, but you need to just do some vertical, like 50 minutes. It takes only 15 minutes for set all this process, less than 15 minutes basically. Now after downloading this specific image, you can use buffer for posting, or you can also use this extension known as desktop for Instagram. You can download from Google Chrome Web Store, and unfortunately I think so this extension doesn't available on the Mozilla Firefox. So we need to just click here this okay, click this button right now, and let me open this download and let me see where my video are gonna be, where my photo are downloaded. So let me check its location, show in folder. So okay, I just copy rename and copy his name in case I forget, because there are many images I'm playing with it. So we need to just click this plus sign available here, click that. You can also post basically you can also post the Facebook docs video on Instagram. There's no some copyright issue. Just post your video, your photo available here, and when you post your photo here, you can watch it like that. Just click on next section available here and write a caption. Now in the caption, I highly recommend you to use 3 main tags, and other tags you need to you will be used from your comment by doing own comment, because it is just it is some simple strategy to take your Instagram from $0 to $100 day. So just post something. So for posting, just come here and write docures, and just write this on google.com, and this course will be available. I just copy this course and I just paste here, and I just write all rights are received, and goes to is respective owners. Okay, and in the last I just put my 3 main tags, like your niche style. Like if you're working on dogs, so your tag must be dogs training, dogs love. Well, I am working on pit bulls, so I write pit bulls. I write pit bulls of Instagram too. And when you need to just click on add location, and on location you need to do just go to Google Trends and check where the dogs trend are popular, and then put the trending location right on your Instagram. So it's gonna be a very basic and very specific and very popular thing. Just share your post right now, and it's sharing. Okay, and after this after this post basically after 1,000 followers, you just need put your clickbank product on your bio section. Then people comes up, they are seeing your content, they like your content, and immediately they are going to your bio section link, and on link they find a product. And if your viewer causing need a product that the sale page is showing, so they buy and you go to commission. Simple is that you just need to do some hard work first, but after that you can always pay. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. And for Instagram growth, you need to just join high DM active groups and posting here. And now like for example, I find I want to find more tags about my niche. So what I just go here, top hashtags. This is a great website that gives you a best hashtags according to your niche. So I just pit bulls, my niche is pit bulls, because my aim is to promote my t-shirts, my merchandise, my Teespring t-shirt on this specific Instagram account, and it's gonna be famous, maybe. Okay, so let me write pit bulls. Okay, I just search this, pit bulls, and you can see there are 7.807 million people searching about pit bulls on Instagram. So there are high audience, and if you are able to rank this hashtag, so you might be thinking how much you earn. You will be earn $1,000 a day or more than $1,000 a day, because this be a viral hashtag. So I just copy this, okay, and I just click here comment section and paste it, and I just remove some because it's only allows you, basically it's only allows you 30 hashtags. So I just delete someone, and some which is not must be related to your niche. So I just post here, and I posting about that, and now you will see all the work are done. And you can my buffer are also set up, so I don't need to do anything. I just click on continue, and I just doing my work what I want to do. So this is the simple strategy you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment below or subscribe this channel with bell notification, so that's why you always be updated on my regular value content which I posting right now, right way, on daily basis. So please subscribe this channel, support me for more value content. Goodbye, and thank you for watching this video.